If you're brand new to training and dream of building that sharp anime-style physique, but right now can't even manage a single pull-up, don't worry. This is exactly where to start. Every essential calisthenics move will be broken down step by step. But here's the secret. You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, and you definitely don't need to wait years before you start seeing changes. All you really need are just 5 calisthenics moves. 5 simple exercises that, if you master them, will unlock the foundation of that powerful, lean, anime-style body. And listen, these aren't your boring gym class drills. No, done the right way, these are the difference between looking like some background NPC and looking like the main character of your own story. First up, we've got squats. And let me be crystal clear. If you skip squats, you can forget about ever building that anime physique. Because what's the point of having broad shoulders and sharp abs if your legs look like twigs? If you're just starting out, your first milestone should be hitting around 20 reps. That's enough to unlock a baseline level of leg power. Squats are the foundation of strength. They hit your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core all at once. Think about every anime character you admire. That strong, grounded presence. When they land from a massive jump, the ground cracks beneath them. When they sprint into battle, the earth shakes. That kind of power comes from the legs, and squats are how you build it. Now here's how you do them. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest tall, eyes forward, and core tight like you're bracing for a punch. From there, bend your knees and drop your hips back like you're sitting into an invisible chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or even deeper if you've got the mobility. Then drive yourself back up through your heels. That's one squat. Sounds simple, right? But don't rush it. Control every rep. Feel your legs burning, because that burn is your transformation arc. That's the training scene where you're leveling up. Once you've mastered the basic squat, it's time to evolve. Add jump squats to build explosive power, just like the heroes who leap stories high in a single bound. Try pistol squats to train balance and control, like a swordsman holding steady in the middle of chaos. Or practice squat holds, staying low and unshaken, building the endurance of a warrior who refuses to fall. Do this consistently, and your legs will stop looking like background character material. Instead, they'll become the solid, unshakable base of a main character. Legs that carry the rest of your body. Legs that scream strength, power, and dominance. Trust me, you'll thank yourself 10 years from now when your legs not only look incredible, but perform like steel springs. Next up, push-ups. And let's be real, no anime physique is complete without a strong, defined chest, bolder shoulders, and arms that actually look like they could throw a serious punch. Push-ups are the ultimate builder for that. Think of every anime fight scene you've watched. Heroes throwing flurries of punches, blocking with raw strength, or holding their ground against overwhelming force. That kind of upper body power is exactly what push-ups build.
Here's how to do it right. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on the floor, core tight, body straight like a plank. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground, then press back up with power. That's 1 rep. And before you roll your eyes and think, push-ups, that's too basic, let me stop you. Push-ups are only as basic as you make them. The truth is, they scale endlessly. Want more strength? Do diamond push-ups for triceps that pop like steel cables. Want more chest? Go wide push-ups to carve that armor plate look. Want explosive power? Do clap push-ups and train like you're powering up an attack move. And here's the secret. Push-ups don't just train your chest and arms. They hit your core, shoulders, and even your back if you keep your form tight. It's literally a full upper body builder in one move. Start with clean, controlled reps. Then increase the difficulty just like leveling up in an RPG. You start as a rookie doing regular push-ups, then progress into an elite warrior cranking out archer push-ups, pseudo-planche push-ups, or even one-arm push-ups. Each variation takes you closer to that anime hero look. Broad chest, powerful shoulders, and arms that don't just look strong but actually are strong. So, If squats build your base, push-ups build your frame. Together, they create the balanced, aesthetic shape you see in every protagonist, the body of someone who looks unstoppable and backs it up with real power. Now it's time for planks, the ultimate test of core strength and stability. And let me tell you, if you want that anime-style midsection, abs that look like they're carved from stone, and a body that moves like a weapon, planks are non-negotiable. Think about it. Every anime hero you admire can twist, dodge, jump, and strike with precision. That control comes from a strong core. A weak core, you fall apart mid-move. A strong core, you move like a main character, fluid, unstoppable, and dangerous. Here's how you do it. Start on your forearms, elbows under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you, toes tucked in, and keep your body straight from head to heels. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and hold. Don't sag, don't arch, just hold. That's the magic of the plank. Sounds easy? That's because it's deceptively hard. Every second you hold it, you're building a foundation that will make everything else, push-ups, pull-ups, even squats, more effective. Want to level it up? Try side planks to carve those obliques and give your waist that sleek, heroic taper. Or plank with shoulder taps to train balance and anti-rotation strength, like a ninja moving with precision in midair. Advanced? Weighted planks or plank to push-up transitions turn your core into a steel cage, giving you the stability of a tank and the agility of a master fighter. Do this consistently, and your abs won't just look sharp, they'll function like the core of an anime protagonist. A strong, unshakable center that makes everything else you do more powerful. Your core becomes your anchor, your secret weapon, your main character edge. Next up, pull-ups. And if you want that anime hero back, the V-taper, the broad, commanding shoulders that make you look unstoppable, pull-ups are the cornerstone. Seriously, skip these and your upper body will never reach main character status. Think about it. Every hero you admire has a back that looks like armor plating. They climb, swing, fight, and dominate midair. That kind of power starts with a strong back, and pull-ups build it better than almost any other exercise. Here's how you do it. Grab a bar with your hands just wider than shoulder width, palms facing away. Hang with your arms fully extended, core tight. Pull yourself up until your chin passes the bar, squeezing your back muscles at the top. Slowly lower down. Don't just drop. That's one pull-up. Struggling to do a full pull-up? No problem. Start with assisted variations. Use a chair, bands, or do negative pull-ups by jumping to the top and slowly lowering yourself down. Every rep counts toward building that main character back. Once you get stronger, mix in variations. Chin-ups for biceps, wide grip pull-ups for that dramatic V-shape, or explosive pull-ups where you actually lift your chest to the bar. These aren't just exercises, they're the power-ups of your training journey. Consistent pull-ups transform your shoulders, traps, lats, and biceps into a combination of strength and aesthetics. They give you that anime hero presence, the ability to dominate your upper body, look confident, and move like you were born to be in the spotlight. Finally, we've got mountain climbers, the move that turns your body into a lean, explosive weapon. If squats gave you strong legs, push-ups built your chest and arms, planks forged your core, and pull-ups sculpted your back, mountain climbers tie all together with speed, agility, and endurance. Think about every chase scene or epic battle in anime. The hero dodges attacks, sprints across rooftops, and unleashes rapid strikes without slowing down. That explosive full-body control, that's what mountain climbers train. Here's how you do it. Get into a high plank position, hands under your shoulders, core tight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then switch, alternating quickly as if you're running horizontally on the ground. Keep your hips low, your back straight, and move with speed and control. This isn't just cardio, it's a total body move. Your core, shoulders, arms, and legs all fire at once. And the faster and more controlled you go, the more your body adapts to that anime hero level agility and endurance. Want to level up? Try explosive mountain climbers. Jump slightly as you switch legs to train power and coordination.
Or slow it down to really engage your core and build control, like a warrior mastering every movement with precision. Do these consistently, and you'll notice your endurance, speed, and body definition skyrocket. Mountain climbers aren't just about looking good. They're about moving like you belong in an action-packed anime, ready to take on anything. And there you have it, 5 calisthenics exercises that form the foundation of the anime physique. Squats for powerful legs, push-ups for a strong chest and arms, planks for an unshakable core, pull-ups for a broad, commanding back, and mountain climbers to tie it all together with speed, agility, and endurance. Master these, train them consistently, and you're not just building a body, you're building presence, power, and control. You'll move with confidence, strength, and that main character energy you've always admired. Remember, it's not about shortcuts or flashy equipment. It's about perfecting the basics, leveling up one rep at a time, and committing to the process. This is how heroes are made, not overnight, but rep by rep, day by day. So start today. Push yourself, feel the burn, embrace the challenge, and watch your body transform. Your anime hero physique isn't a dream, it's a plan, and it starts with these 5 moves.